RBI Grade B exam is approaching soon. And amid of that, we have a lot many rumors that are going on. और जब rumors की बात आती है, ये हमेशा एक aspirant का ध्यान भटकाते हैं. And when there is a time that every aspirant needs to put his entire focus on the studies, aspirants are just confused in the notifications and the rumors that are going on. So welcome everyone in today's video, and here we'll see that what are the rumors that are going on, and we'll also see कि कितना जो है they are valid or not, and if there are rumors, should you consider them or not. So in this particular video, we'll clear each and everything. You have to be with me in this entire video. I'm going to clarify each and everything in this particular video. But before that, you can see that most of the aspirants ask us that, ma'am, जो PDF है वो कहाँ से मिलेगा? So you can see, firstly, बच्चे, you have to download the Olive Board app, and then you have to register yourself. And after you register yourself, there will be pop-up. Pop-up कौन सा होगा? You will see here that this pop-up will appear, and below that you will see a pop-up of courses. You have to click on that. You have to click on that first, and then will appear this you will get this on your screen, and then you have to click on the YouTube classes PDF, and then you have to download it, and you will be able to download the PDFs. Now we'll see that I have already told you this जो particular video है what it intends to. So there are lot of misinformation that is going on in the entire industry. Rumors are there. We'll see that if they are of of any significance or not, and whatever the rumors are there, are they should an aspirant focus on that, or rather the aspirant should focus on his studies. So we'll see this entire thing. There are a lot of informations. We've already done this thing, and we'll verify whatever we have, whatever I'll say, this is based on the verifications that we have. Okay, so this is the particular you can see a notification as in कि ये जो particular settlement that has been going on in industry, that is circulated in industry, on the basis of which a lot of rumors are getting spread off, a lot many discussions are getting off, and the people are saying that there are high chances that a grade B examination will not take place this year. But if you see the this particular thing whichever it has been written, so if you see it, there is nowhere written that grade B examination this year will not take place. So firstly, I'll read the statement, whichever it is, whatever it is written here. I'll firstly read that, and then we together will decode, and then we'll analyze कि जो rumors फैल रहे हैं, क्या आपको उनके ऊपर यकीन करना चाहिए, rather you should focus on rumors, or is it the high time to focus on your studies? So we'll decode that, but firstly I'll read the statement. So the direct recruitment of officers in grade A may be resumed. This is what has been specifically mentioned कि जो grade A examination है, there are high chances that it may resume. Now it also says that after the date of the settlement, as per the bank's requirement, while taking due care of the promotional avenues of class third staff in the bank. So we all know that assistant exam is there, assistant manager exam is there, and then you have manager exam, which is your grade B examination. Okay, now in between, now when I talk about the assistants, they are getting promoted, they are they were promoted as assistant manager, और कोई direct recruitment जो है वो नहीं हो रहा था, as in when I specifically talk about your grade A examination. Now the RBI says there are high chances that the RBI is saying that okay, we can we have number of vacancies available with us. We have place to keep direct recruitments, to keep direct people also here, and also we'll take care of the the promotions of the assistants that are there. So assistants का भी promotion होगा. This is what has been specifically mentioned by RBI, and it is also saying कि we have still places, we have still posts. अगर हम बाहर से भी recruitment करेंगे, अगर हम direct recruitment भी करेंगे, so it will not hamper your assistants promotion. So this is what has been specifically mentioned. Now, if you see the second statement, the arrangement is agreed upon, in this settlement will come into effect from the date of the settlement and will be in force on an ongoing basis, and any changes to the arrangement will be affected by the mutual consent. Now, the settlement is between what? You have various, employee unions. So यहाँ पे specifically जो employee union है which were included in the meeting, so that was your All India Reserve Bank Employee Association and rest of the employee employee unions also. Now this has been said कि whatever decision will be taken ना, that will be taken that will be only taken after taking into consideration both of the consents. जो proper settlement के बाद ही decision लिया जाएगा. This is what has been specifically mentioned by RBI. Now we have a lot many rumors that are going on in the industry. Okay, since we see the RBI has said that we are going to resume grade A examination, there are high chances that grade B will not take place this year. But these are just rumors. If you see, nowhere has been specifically mentioned कि हम क्या करेंगे, grade B examination जो है वो नहीं करेंगे, and we will only conduct grade A examination. This is nowhere mentioned. These are just the speculations that a lot of you can say players in the industries are making. This is just the rumors that they are just spreading out. Now if you see the statement, they've specifically mentioned कि grade A examination होने के chances ज़्यादा हैं. Now if you see it in a positive side, so एक positive side भी है. अगर grade B examination, of course it takes place every year, and it is a lot many people prepare for it. We have a lot of aspirants that appear for it. अब ऐसा तो है नहीं कि एक इतना अच्छा reputed जो एग्जाम होता है वो उसको एकदम ही मतलब खत्म ही कर देंगे एग्जाम को, और वो भी अचानक से. This can never happen since you are going to give an exam of such a reputed institution. They cannot do this thing very instantly. But we have chances that grade A examination may be resumed, and if you see it as a positive side, so there are chances, I just told you that there are chances grade A examination can happen. And अगर इसकी positive side देखी जाए तो this is a better for us. अगर grade B examination हो रहा है तो अगर grade B examination is taking place, so वो क्या है, एक managerial post है. Similarly when I talk about grade A examination also, so it recruits what assistant managers रखता है, so it is also a managerial post. Now whatever there are whatever the functions that managers perform, both will be at somewhere or another same level. So there are high chances जो syllabus है mostly वो भी same रहेगा. So where are what is the thing of getting worried of? अगर हमारे पास ग्रेड बी एग्जामिनेशन है, हर साल कंडक्ट होता है, सो अगर उसके साथ ग्रेड ए एग्जामिनेशन भी कंडक्ट होगा, ग्रेड बी एग्जामिनेशन तो ऑलरेडी हो रहा है, बट अगर उसके साथ ग्रेड ए एग्जामिनेशन भी होगा, सो दिस इज अ गुड थिंग फॉर एस्पिरेंट्स. ऑफ कोर्स उसका लेवल तो थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं जो डिफिकल्टी लेवल है उसका कहीं ना कहीं तो थोड़ा सा कम रहेगा. एंड द पीपल एंड द एस्पिरेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सच अ टफ एग्जामिनेशन, ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर हाई चांसेस दैट दे कैन crack your this grade A examination also. So you have to see the positive side also. Now there are very, 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 very less chances, I would say very silent chances that grade B examination will not happen, because this is nowhere written. They have just mentioned कि जो grade A examination है उसको हम resume कर सकते हैं. This is what has been specifically mentioned, and nowhere it is written कि जो grade B examination है वो कहीं नहीं होगा. So whatever we have read, that there is no information about grade B recruitment that is here. Whatever is spreaded out in the industry, that is just on the speculations that other players are making. ठीक है. Similarly, if grade A hiring will start, but no update is there on timeline as of now. Of course अगर grade examination भी conduct होगा, so RBI उसका proper update करेगी, उसको proper timeline set करेगी. अब proper जो है वो सब कुछ बताया जाएगा very in a very official form, in a very formal form. Each and everything will be told to us. And whatever is speculations that are going on in industry. Now this is your choice. This is your choice कि आपको rumors के ऊपर विश्वास करना है. You have to utilize your time you have to just waste your time on rumors, या फिर whatever time you have to utilize in your studies, because this is a high time. We all know कि जून जुलाई के आसपास जो है जो notification है वो आ जाएगा, and notification के बाद you will not be left with much of time, और उसके बाद आपका जो एग्जाम है वो जल्दी से जल्दी कंडक्ट हो जाएगा. And the syllabus is vast. We don't know कि what based on the pattern, based on the trends, we have the speculation क्योंकि इस तरीके का जो pattern है वो आ सकता है, इस तरीके का जो pattern है वो questions पूछे जा सकते हैं. But if you see the last year's management paper also, that was you can say that was the difficulty level was much high when I compare it with the previous years. So यहाँ पे जब difficulty level high हो रहा है, when papers are getting more competitive, so this is your choice if you want to waste your time on such rumors, या फिर आपको अपना जो time है वो अच्छी तरीके से utilize करना है. Okay, you have read this thing, okay, this is what has been it is not officially announced yet. This was one of the meetings that was there, and this has been someone has just got this particular statement, and this is what is get it circulated in the entire industry. But this is not the formally, the RBI is not send this particular thing formally. Of course अगर कोई भी changes आएंगे तो वो RBI क्या करेगी, एक formal तरीके से बताएगी. So yes, we have already read this thing कि जो grade A examination will be hired externally only after taking care of the internal promotions also, and if there are vacancies in the bank. This is what has been specifically mentioned by the RBI कि हम पहले क्या करेंगे, हम जो grade A examinations जो हमारे grade A के जो हमारे assistants हैं, पहले हम उनकी promotions का ध्यान रखेंगे, then we will focus on the direct recruitment. Now one hint that I want to give to all of you who are who have this thing in their mind कि grade B examination नहीं होगा. So this is the result of the result copy of this year's grade your B examination, in which there was a note given below. यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया था कि one current vacancy of PWBD has been carried forward to the next recruitment year due to the non-availability of PWBD candidates. Now again, this is of course not 100% surety that grade B examination will happen, and of course जो हमने पीछे बात करी थी उसकी भी कहीं भी 100% surety नहीं है. Rather it is just the rumors that are getting leaked, and लोग क्या कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर भी इतना focus कर रहे हैं. But if you see this particular statements, उन्होंने क्या कहा है कि जो PWBD का जो vacancy है हम उसको next year की तरफ forward कर रहे हैं. So it means they have specifically mentioned कि हम जो next year है वो exam कहीं ना कहीं होगा. That is the reason they have said कि हम next year की तरफ forward कर रहे हैं. अगर exam नहीं होना होता तो कहीं ना कहीं वो इसको इस ईयर में ही एडजस्ट कर लेते, कट ऑफ को कहीं ना कहीं एडजस्ट करके वो इस ईयर में ही एडजस्ट कर लेते. बट दिस इज व्हाट हैज बीन स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन्ड, अ हिंट दैट हैज बीन गिवन. सो दोज आर द दोज एस्पिरेंट्स हु हैव लेफ्ट आउट देयर स्टडीज trusting on this thing कि grade B examination तो होगा ही नहीं. So this is a little hint for all of you. Of course this is not 100% surety, but again somewhere or another you will get to know that of course grade B examination will take place, and such a reputed exam which happens every year, and we need managers, we need think tankers who have to think about our entire economy. So how can this happen कि वो अचानक से ये scrap हो जाएगा? So this can never happen. There are high chances that of course the paper will take place, and now is the time that you need to focus on your studies rather than on these many rumors. So what are the key your takeaways here? So most likely grade B examination will come this year only, not easy to scrap, which I've already told you. Now you need to prepare for RBI even if grade A examination happens. ठीक है, even if I'm considering कि अगर grade A examination होता भी है, so this is a good thing for all of us, है ना. एक अगर grade B examination होता है, अगर हम बच्चे अगर you people are preparing for the grade B examination, so of course if you start preparing for grade A also, so that is a good thing. कि अगर आप ग्रेड बी के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हो सो आपको सेपरेटली कुछ ग्रेड ए के लिए प्रिपरेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन जस्ट प्रिपेयर एंड यू कैन क्रैक द एग्जामिनेशन बाय इटसेल्फ बिकॉज द सिलेबस विल ऑलमोस्ट बी सिमिलर टू ईच अदर ओनली. ठीक है, सो ऑफ कोर्स डिफिकल्टी लेवल भी थोड़ा सा कम होगा. सो दिस इज अ गुड थिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस इफ ग्रेड ए हैपेंस. नेक्स्ट दैट विल गेट क्लैरिटी बाय द आरबीआई only over a long term recruitment 2026 onwards in the upcoming months on whether both will continue or not. So अगर कभी ऐसी चीज होती भी है, so this will RBI will specifically clarify each and everything. Now this is what we have already discussed कि pattern कैसा रहे, pattern as in कि क्या क्या expected dates हो सकते हैं. This is we are now going to discuss about the timeline कि कहाँ पे जो notification है, कितने time तक notification जो आ सकता है और कितने time तक जो है हम देख सकते हैं कि जो paper है वो conduct होगा. So this is what we have already done, but still we are still sticking on this pattern only, on this timeline only, because there are hardly any chance that this particular grade B examination will be scrapped out. This is a high time bachche that you focus on your studies rather on just wasting time on such notifications that are there. Of course if there will be any of such notification that will be officially released by the RBI. So जब तक release नहीं होता है you focus on your studies only. ठीक है, because RBI also knows कि मेरे को भी लोग जो है मेरे को भी human resource recruit करना है. So that is the responsibility of the RBI also. So this is the high time that you focus on your examination. So you can see the trend itself कि notification date mostly जो है अगर हम average लेके चले तो 2021 में जनवरी में आई थी, 2022 में मार्च में देखने को मिली थी, 2023 में it was in April and 2024 में जो है वो जुलाई के आसपास हमें देखने को मिली थी. ठीक है, एग्जाम रिजल्ट भी you can see and vacancies भी you can see by yourself. जो 2024 में है we saw that the vacancy जो हमारा एग्जाम रिजल्ट है वो कब आया था, फरवरी 2025 को जो है एग्जाम रिजल्ट आया था and there was the vacancy of 94 only. So average अगर मैं की ड्यूरेशन की बात करूँ तो विद इन दिस पीरियड ऑफ 7 to 8 months एग्जामिनेशन हैपन्स. नाउ द रिजल्ट टू नेक्स्ट नोटिफिकेशन इफ आई से, सो यहाँ पे जो एग्जाम का रिजल्ट है वो पहले सितंबर में आया था. नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2021. सो नेक्स्ट नोटिफिकेशन आया था हमारा मार्च के आसपास. ठीक है, देन यहाँ पे कितने मंथ्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 6 मंथ्स है. नाउ इफ आई कंपेयर इट विद 2024, ठीक है, 2024 में लास्ट ईयर जो हमारा एग्जाम का नोटिफिकेशन है वो जुलाई में आया था. ठीक है, नाउ इफ यू सी कि जो एग्जाम का रिजल्ट है फरवरी के आसपास आया था, देन वी हैड अ नोटिफिकेशन, मतलब अभी जो नोटिफिकेशन है वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू दिस थिंग कि जो रिजल्ट नोटिफिकेशन है वी सॉ कि ऑलमोस्ट जो है वो 6 मंथ्स के आसपास लेते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ सिंस इट हैज टेकन प्लेस इन फरवरी, सो हम चांसेस ले सकते हैं कि 6 मंथ्स के बाद जो नोटिफिकेशन है वो आ सकती है. ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रेडिक्टेड डेट अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रेंड, सो इट इज जस्ट ऑलमोस्ट अगस्त के आसपास जो है हमें नोटिफिकेशन देखने को मिल सकती है, सिंस द रिजल्ट्स वर आउट इन द मंथ ऑफ फरवरी ओनली. बट यहाँ पे अगर मैं पिछले साल की बात करूँ, सो वी ऑल नो दैट इलेक्शंस टुक प्लेस, सो उसके कारण जो थोड़ा सा डिले है वो हो गया था. बट इफ आई say that the trend will be resumed, so उसके हम देख सकते हैं कि the one thing we have here is कि जो selected candidates है उनका इस महीने जो है वो recruitment होने वाला है, that is 28th of April. और recruitment के बाद भी हम देखते हैं कि आसपास जो notification है वो आ सकता है. so expected dates यहाँ पे क्या जो mention करी गई हैं, फिर क्या हम assume कर रहे हैं, this is of course the assumptions. ठीक है, हम भी क्या कर रहे हैं, एक assumption ही लेके चल रहे हैं, whatever has been the pattern previous year, उनके बेसिस पे वी आर ट्राइंग टू अज्यूम कि इन डेट्स में जो है हमारा जो नोटिफिकेशन है वो आ सकता है. तो फाइनल डेट्स वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग हियर इज 15th of जून से लेके 28th of जुलाई के बीच में जो है जो नोटिफिकेशन है दैट इज एक्सपेक्टेड. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो नोटिफिकेशन है वो इसके आसपास आ जाते हैं. दिस इज द हाई टाइम दैट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज, बिकॉज जब अगर नोटिफिकेशन आ गया उसके बाद यू विल नॉट गेट टाइम. अब यहाँ पे वी सी दैट जो फाइनल जो सिलेक्शन है इस ईयर की वो हुई थी 62 के आसपास. ठीक है, कितने लोगों ने क्लियर करा था, दैट वाज 198 ओनली. नाउ व्हाट आर द की पॉइंटर्स, सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट one of the foremost thing that rather than wasting your time on such rumors until or unless it is not officially announced by the RBI, you need not to focus on anything, because यहाँ पे your time is more important than anything else. अगर of course कुछ ना कुछ notification आना होगा तो वो आपको RBI खुद बता देगा. and you need not to focus on this thing कि यहाँ पे अगर मैं कुछ preparation करूँगा तो वो तो मेरी waste चल जाएगी अगर grade B examination नहीं हुआ तो. so knowledge is never wasted, you keep on preparing for such examination. of course you keep the you just go with the broader framework. अगर एक नहीं हुआ तो of course I'll prepare for another one, I'll appear for another one. अगर मैं एक हाई लेवल की अगर मैं एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखता हूँ, अगर मैं हाई लेवल की प्रिपरेशन करता हूँ, सो जो छोटे जिनका जो लेवल है एग्जामिनेशंस का, अगर किसी एग्जामिनेशन का लेवल थोड़ा सा लो है तो यू विल बी एबल टू क्रैक इट बाय सेल्फ. आपको उसके लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा प्रिपरेशन करने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. सो यू नीड to be positive in each and everything. Of course, if you clear the examination, tomorrow you will be the managers. Tomorrow you will be the think tankers of our entire economy. So you need to focus, you need to think, in that way from now itself only. अगर आप उस तरीके से सोचोगे तो आप एग्जामिनेशन में अपीयर भी करोगे उसी तरीके से. नाउ व्हाट आर द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स कि रिसोर्सेज के ऊपर ध्यान देना है. ठीक है, हाई टाइम है स्टार्ट करने के लिए, प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दो, उसके बाद आपको नहीं टाइम मिलेगा. फिर उसके बाद नाउ व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट फेज 1 एज वेल एज फेज 2, सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू मेनी टाइम्स कि उसकी जो प्रिपरेशन है वो आपको इंटीग्रेटेड मैनर में करनी है, अलग अलग नहीं करनी है कि ओके पहले फेज 1 हो जाएगा फिर उसके बाद आई विल स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर फेज 2. नो, दिस नेवर हैपेंस. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बोथ साइमल्टेनियसली ओनली. then you have to put dedicated time exclusively to the phase 1 once notification is out. उसके बाद phase 1 की जो जो preparation है वो एकदम अच्छी तरीके से जो comprehensively जो preparation है वो करना start कर देना. ठीक है, now talking about the phase 2 examination, so most of the people have still doubt that मैम resources क्या क्या use करना है. so current affairs is something which you should never miss out. current affairs के sources क्या हो सकते हैं, एक तो कोई newspaper whichever suits you best, you can just get that. PIB should never miss. Newspapers को भी you can just avoid here, but it is never recommended that you avoid the newspapers. Of course, if you want to write a better answer, you need to go with the you need to go through the editorials, and you need to go through the explainer sections of any of the newspapers that you find good. Now you need to go with the PIB also. PIB is something which you should never miss out. PIB जो है वो आपको daily cover करना है, और मेरी classes भी आती है रात को शाम को 7 PM पे, so you can attend that also. That will be very very helpful, जहाँ पे हम MCQs के साथ discuss करते हैं topics को. RBI circulars plays a very important role. Then you have reports, budgets also. So you need to prepare each and everything. Now most of the people have this doubt कि हम current affairs कितने time के हम cover कर सकते हैं. So 6 months is very enough. ठीक है, 6 months की आपको coverage करनी है, but whatever is there in the examination, in the current affairs, you have to do comprehensive coverage of those many topics. जो भी current affairs में चीजें रहती हैं, इनकी comprehensive coverage करनी है, historical plus achievements that are today also. So get done with the phase 2 static portion as soon as you can, and you get a bit big picture view of Indian as well as global economy for the next 6 months. And descriptive answer writing जो है वो भी start करना है, no matter how bad you write, but you have to start focusing on it. ठीक है, now this is a batch, this is batch 4 that is written, but batch 5, we are done with the batch 4, batch 5 has been launched. You can enroll yourself in batch 5. And if you're the one who's preparing for this year RBI Grade B examination की अगर आप इस साल तैयारी कर रहे हैं, so this is very important that you start focusing on your preparation rather than somewhere else, because rumors जो है वो हर साल कहीं ना कहीं से जो rumors है वो इधर उधर फैलते रहते हैं, but you have to take care of your time is very very I would say this will never come back. If once gone, this will never come back, so you have to take care of the resource that you have. The time is very rich. Other notifications will be there. अगर कोई RBI के द्वारा आएगी तो आपको पता लग जाएगा. We people will tell you, but now this is high time when we people, when we educators are telling you that you need to focus on your studies rather than these many rumors. So I hope each and everything is clarified to each and every individual, and I hope that from now you people will start preparing, start focusing on the examination only rather than these many rumors. So all right, I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.